Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longza machine. Today we are loading our commercial type pellet burner to Pakistan and India. And as you can see, this is the complete pellet burner. This kind of burner will be used in cooking area. Will be used in a bakery oven, and also can be used for drying purpose, for drying the China tea or tobacco. As you can see, this burner with 70,000 kilocalories, and this burner is a full automatic working. Just one button start ignition. For automatic temperature control, automatic burning, and automatic ash cleaning. And you can see that this is the big hopper for this pellet burner. And this tank can storage 50 kilograms wood pellet. And the fire of the pellet will burning through this area, and the fire flame will go up. And also we have an option for our clients, can be a street fire flame. And this burning area, burning chamber, can be removable for 1 or 2 years. For replacement, you can just change this part. It's okay. And this pellet burner also with wheels for movable to a different location, and we accept this 70,000 kilocalories pellet burner. We also have an 100,000 kilocalories, 200,000 kilocalories pellet burner for your different requirement. If you have any request for this kind of a commercial pellet burner, please send your inquiry to Longza team. That's all introduction for the pellet burner, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.